Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, let's keep up with our gold analysis. Yesterday we have warned you about this retracement and we said that we see we have some suspicions on this retracement just because the major target has not been hit yet. And we talk about the possible short positions. I know that many traders trade the counter trend markets, and we warned you that it would be better to think about taking short position if you still would like to trade market short on the gold. After the market will hit the major OP target, it stands at 1455 area. The fact that market hasn't quite hit the OP and turns to the downward action before that has happened makes us think that this is not quite false retracement, but not fake retracement, but it will be minor and mostly could be treated as the retracement of the profit taken before the weekend, before the J20 meeting, after the strong rally within the 3 weeks to the upside. But major meaningful retracement should start as soon as market will hit this target, because this OP, it's not just a daily target, this is also the monthly OP. And on the monthly we have the huge butterfly pattern that have the 1% extension at the same area. That's why our trading plan suggests before taking any short position, although we do not have the intention to trade gold market right now short, but we still need to consider the preliminary conditions for a possible taking the short position. And major one stands in touching and hitting of the major target. Second, we need to get the clear reversal pattern. But anyway, our position stands that no major retracement will start until market will hit this major target. This is the first point. Second point is, you can see that yesterday overall retracement looks not very stable. So you can see that retracement started. After that, market starts to show some pullback here. And yesterday we talked about the two levels that retracement could hit. Either it will be 1396 first level, or probably it could drift slightly lower in kind of the ABCD pattern somewhere to the 1370 area, because 1370 actually this is the wide confidence area starting from the 1365 and lasting to the 1376, and we call it as the 3070 area because it's a lot of different fib level stands. For example, even on the daily chart you could use the reaction point, not only this one, but you could use this level to build the 30% levels, and for this upper direction you also could take either A point, but you could use also this one, and you get different levels. The same on the 4-hour time frame chart. Here you can see we use this point to build the levels, but you could also take this one and this one. In this case, this confidence that we have starting from the 1365 is lasting actually till the 1376. That's the next destination point of our retracement. Currently, guys, market keeps the dual scenario on intraday charts. Potentially, since major target has not been hit, and on the 4-hour time frame chart we have another one target. You can see the XOP stands in the same area. We can't exclude totally the situation where a market could just continue move higher. And in this case, the butterfly pattern could be formed because the extension of this most recent retracement coincides mostly with the same area, 1450. And by the butterfly, market could finalize the all number of targets that we have around 1450. And conversely, we first could get ABCD retracement to one of the levels, as we said. So take a look on the hourly chart. It could be ABCD retracement somewhere to 1385, so OP. As a result, we could get Gartley's triple to buy here, or if we will take a look at the XOP, we could get even agreement with this confidence support and after that market will continue action to the 1450 area. Currently, guys, taking into consideration what we see on the euro today, that suggests the upward continuation, it seems that the appearing of the butterfly looks a bit more realistic in the current circumstances. But we can't say it absolutely definitely. That's why, for those who would like to take the short position, we would suggest that it's better sit on the hand and wait when the market will hit finally 1450 area. For taking the long position, strategically, I would suggest waiting for the major retracement down from this level, because this retracement could be really significant. So we could get very good drop for taking the long position. And from the strategical point of view, if you're trading on a daily chart, currently it makes no sense trying to catch some minor action to the upside, risking with the possible deeper retracement here. But still, if you trade on intraday charts, you could consider both situations. First of all, if you would like to trade based on the butterfly, definitely your stop will be below these lows. Well, it's not really very significant. 1420, 1412 area, low stands approximately 1396, 98. So, well, potentially targets also stands significant. So risk-reward ratio is okay. So, but if you'd like to try that, you could. But in current situation, when the market stands very close to the final destination point, personally for me, it's not very attractive trying to catch the final spike up with the taking risk of the possible deeper retracement. Well, it is possible, but only if you trade on intraday charts. Strategically, as I said, it would be much better, more attractive, just to wait for a major retracement down that could be probably significant, and take the gold and the good price and possess yourself for the upward continuation of the big trend. So this is significantly more attractive, especially when you have the coming J20 meeting in this weekend, and keeping the position for the weekend also carries more risk.